This video will show you how to install the permanent license file on your CT100B. If your CT100 displays a message that the demonstration license has expired or is about to expire, here's how to update it. There are two ways to update your license file. First, with CT Viewer software, and second, with a USB drive. We will cover both in this video, but only one method needs to be used, and each will have the same result. After contacting tech support, your license will arrive via email. Each license file only works with the given serial number. You can find the serial number on the back of the CT100B. For security reasons, a .text extension has been added to the end of the file name, which must be removed before using the file. The file must end with a .bin for the update to work correctly. This file is only readable by the CT100B. Now we're going to launch CT Viewer. After your CT100B is fully booted, connect it to your computer via USB or Ethernet. In CT Viewer, click on Help. Then Install License. Select the license file that matches your serial number and click Open. After you receive a message that your install was successful, click OK, then restart your CT100B. Now, using a USB thumb drive, copy the license file to the drive. Verify that the license number and serial number match, and that it's the only license file on the drive. Change the file extension from .text to .bin, and insert the drive to one of the front ports. Press the menu button, followed by Settings, then Info, then License, and finally License from USB. Once you receive the confirmation message, restart your CT100B. And there you have it. For more information, check out our website at moretm.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. And feel free to reach out to us via phone or email. And we'll see you next time.